Hello Year 4. So today for our literacy we're going to start by having a look at verbs, nouns and adjectives. So just to recap them again, remember a verb is an action word. So go, jump, eat, listen. The noun is a name of a person, place or thing. So Manchester, Miss Gilmore, pencil, sandals. And an adjective is a describing word. Clever, minuscule, daunting, colourful. So your first activity in a moment, you've got this in your pack. I want you to have a look at some of the words here that we are going to see in the video, which we are going to watch shortly. And I want you to place them in the correct place on your grid. So I have already said delicious, I have put an adjective, because I know it's a describing word. I could add a sentence or a phrase below, so I could say a delicious red apple. Okay, so if you want to challenge yourself, you can do so. So pause the video now and complete your first activity. Okay, so what I would like you to do now before you watch the video, your video is called The Chocolate Room. And I want you to visualise it. I want you to draw what you think it looks like. So just with a piece of paper and a pencil, I want you to draw what you think the chocolate room is going to look like. So pause the video and complete the activity now. Okay, now Year 4, I would like you to watch the video which I have attached. I've put the link here if you are unsure. So watch the video and then come back to me once you have finished. Okay, so you may have seen pictures like this. Now today we're going to be looking at using expanded noun phrases, so we're just going to recap them first of all. So remember, the noun is the name of a person, place or thing. So here we've got a girl. So it's not a proper noun, it doesn't need a capital letter because it's not her name. We just know that she is a girl. And then a simple noun phrase, we usually just pop a determiner in front, so the girl, a girl. But if we want to make an expanded noun phrase, it gives us more detail than a simple noun phrase. So we've got the tall, sporty girl. We've got the noun here, we've got a determiner, and we've got two adjectives. Okay, remember the determiners are placed before the noun and help to describe it so we know which girl it is talking about. So let's have a little look at this one. So here we've got the noun cow. The simple noun phrase would be the cow. And an expanded noun phrase would be the round-bellied, inquisitive cow. Let's have a go at one together. So here the noun I'm going to say muffins. Simple noun phrase, I'm going to say the muffins. And an expanded noun phrase, I'm going to say the chocolate mouth-watering muffins. So I have added more detail there. Okay, the chocolate mouth-watering muffins. Let's have a look at another one. The noun I have got owl. Simple noun phrase, I'm going to say the owl. Or I could say an owl. And then I'm going to say a medium-sized. Just have a look here. Why have I changed my article from an to a? You should be able to see that here I've got a vowel sound, but here I have now got a consonant, so I do not need an anymore. A medium-sized comma, because I've got a comma in my list. A medium-sized nocturnal owl, and then I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to add with. Remember, we've spoken about this in class, adding with to give more detail. With beautiful, or let me change up level up and say delicate feathers. Okay, so again, we're just having a look at some examples here where with or that has been added. They knocked on the big wooden door with the paint peeling off. Everyone was afraid of the mean old witch with the pointy hat. The evil creature that howled all night was never allowed outside. So there are some examples. You've got lots of examples now to go off. I have put here, and you can pause the video at this point when you are doing your work to help you, and it's just a little bit of a knowledge builder to tell you everything you need to know about expanded noun phrases. Okay? Now remember, we've spoken about this as well, prepositional phrases. So you could take the troll, then it would be an ugly troll, then you would have an ugly troll under the bridge. Right, what you are going to do for your task today is you are going to write a range of expanded noun phrases to describe parts of the chocolate room. So I have put some examples here. So first of all, let's see if we can spot. Let's do it in different colours. I want you to see if you can spot the noun first of all. So let's have a look here. The noun. So the noun you should be able to tell is river. That's the thing we are talking about. And then we have got our adjectives. We've got velvety. We've got dark brown chocolate. And we've got an adjective here as well, tempting. And I've added with to add a little more description. On this one here, I have added a prepositional phrase, around, so around the chocolate river. And I've tried to up-level my vocabulary to impress you. So instead of putting flowing or turning, I've put meandered. If something meanders, it is going like this. It's just going round and round and round. If it's meandering, there are lots of turns. So addictive, edible grass that meandered around the chocolate river. Okay, so your task today is to write as many expanded noun phrases as you can. If you need to go back and look at this teaching lesson again, you can. If you need to go back and look at the chocolate room video on YouTube again, you can.